What is up, my YouTubians? One thing about an ambulance is this. I don't even know if you can see this. The headroom is not there, which I'm fine with that because I actually wanted a lower sitting buggy just for the pure sake of is it overhead clearance? Yeah, overhead clearance. And I wanted it to be just a little bit shorter, you know, more RV height. That way I can get in and out of the same places that everybody else can get out of. Gotta keep checking here. What do you need help with?
Like getting the headlight out.
Oh. I'm going to use this table to go underneath this toolbox.
It's Oh, okay.
If I take this out, we should be able just to slide that down under. I need you to help me set this up here, this toolbox up on this, and then I'll come help you.
You will have to stop by bulbs. You'll have to stop by one day and get bulbs.
Why?
Because it didn't come with bulbs. I want to get like LED bulbs.
Like, you just order them off Amazon.
Yeah.
They're cheaper than trying to.
Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
No, they are.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like 75 or 80 bucks at the auto store.
Just the bulbs?
Yeah.
Wow. Is your truck LEDs or just white lights?
It's just white lights, but it's the way that it. I don't know what's going to be the easiest way to.
I say just like.
If you pick up this side. Actually, that side picks up real good. You pick up more. Watch that right hand.
Yeah.
The box needs to come towards me. Okay. Now you need to pull, see how this is hanging over? You need to pull that out so it's hanging over. A little bit more. That's probably good right there. Now do I need to come down towards you to get it?
No, just a little bit. Need a bit more.
I can't, there you go. I got a little bit more. I need to push the box back so it's flush with the, go back. Yeah,
Did I move that back?
go ahead and push it, the toolbox back. No, you gotta slide it, you're pushing.
It's stuck on the Velcro.
Oh, so push it. You don't talk to Velcro.
Can I tilt it towards me at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now you went too far.
Nope. Does it need to be flush with your finger?
No, it needs to. Actually, push it all the way back. Right there. Okay, now pull your cabinet back out. A little bit more. Okay. Is the back of the toolbox flush with the hinge?
On this side.
Okay. See if the door opens.
What door?
The,
Oh.
yeah. What's it hitting up there?
Yeah, but I think that
Okay.
it wouldn't go much more without that.
That's fine. Yeah, that'll work great. Now secure it there. Yeah, that looks good. I'd really like for it to come towards me. Look here. See if you can push the box towards me. Oh. Watch your head.
Yeah, I hit it on that.
Yeah. See if you've pulled the box forward. The box has to go back.
Again?
Yeah, because it's slick. Oh, crap. Watch your fingers.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's alright. Better over here.
Does everything look good over there?
Yeah. Because there's just a little gap before.
Oh yeah, this looks good. I gotta go help Jackson. I'll be right back. I tell you, it's funny getting Jackson to help me and then me going to help him with his truck. box is mounted. This box is mounted too. Well, it's sitting there, but it's got a lip that's catching it. I may run a couple screws through the top into the back wall, but that's about it. It actually rides really well. I noticed that when I took this thing to work the other day. So there we go. My 2 toolboxes are mounted. That will actually probably be all I put in here. If I need more, there's some room behind me or a couple other places I could put a couple more if I needed to. I also got a drill mount or a drill rack up there. So alright, you guys be good, and we'll catch you next time.